here we got something that we haven't been getting very many of in. The New Holland ST650. Same as the Case IH, basically a DMI ripper, but this is in the New Holland configuration. It's got the disc on the front. It's got 2 extra shanks with it that go on the end. You can see the shanks are in good shape. It's got the dividers on it. Like I say, he's got 2 extras. It's got the gauge wheels. It's got the light kit. Very nice unit. Just came in on trade today. He said he just bought it to rip a little patch and he was done with it. So points are showing just a little bit of wear, but you can see what the new ones look like. It's got 2 new ones. We'll wire them to it. They'll be right with it. Those rippers, it is on 30-inch spacings. But those discs are really good size-wise. They're probably 19 inches. Overall width is 11 foot 2 inches.